So there's something that I've been meaning to talk about for a while now, and this is the idea of using Excel. Do we have to use Excel? Is Excel the only thing that we should be using? It's just that there are so many other pieces of software out there, so many other things that we could be using besides Excel, and yet we continue to use Excel. We know that there are so many issues with Excel. The size, it does not handle big data very well. It's so prone to errors. It's got problems with version control. And I know that Microsoft is working really, really hard to fix those things and to try to make them to keep Excel relevant, but there are still just so many issues, and we know that Excel is usually we call it the Swiss Army knife of software, or the second best way of doing things. And we know, because we know that there's a better way, why do we continue to use Excel? And I get people that just constantly writing to me and saying, well, hey, could you check out this piece of software because I think it's so much better than Excel. I mean, basically, they're wanting me to promote or to sell their software. And, it's, I'm sure there are other pieces of software that are better, but you know what? I'm busy. I know that Excel's going to work. I'm not really in the business of making other people money. I know that, there are a lot of other bits of software that will be better, but, for now, what we have is Excel. Excel is just, it's what we have. Everybody has Excel installed. My job is to make you or the people that I train more just so much better at their jobs. I think that, I would like for somebody to be able to go back to work and say, well, hey, I can build you a financial model, I can build you a dashboard, I can do it in Excel, rather than, you need to download the software, you need to buy licenses, all of that sort of thing. So I think that just the best thing that you can do for your career is just learn how to use Excel, just standard Excel as it comes from Microsoft, without any add-ins, without any software. That's my opinion.